Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to elevate your aerial photography and filmmaking game, the DJI Avata 360 Motion Fly More Combo. If you're intrigued by this innovative drone, we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DJI Avata? This isn't just any standard drone. It's a 360 degrees camera drone that features stunning 1-inch 8K imaging capabilities. With its sleek design and advanced technology, the Avata allows you to capture breathtaking footage from the sky, providing an immersive experience unlike any other. Let's explore some of the standout features that make the DJI Avata a must-have for enthusiasts and professionals alike. First up, the 1-inch 8K 360 degrees imaging is a game-changer. With its high-quality sensors, the Avata captures light and shadow with remarkable clarity, ensuring that your videos are sharp and vibrant. The capability to shoot in 8K at 60 frames per second means that your footage will not only be stunning but also incredibly smooth, whether you're capturing fast-paced action or serene landscapes. Another impressive feature is the 04+ FHD video transmission. This technology boasts strong anti-interference capabilities, allowing for high-definition transmission at 1080p and 60 frames per second, with a range of up to 20 kilometers. This means you can fly farther while still maintaining a crystal-clear video feed, which is essential for capturing those far-off shots. Safety is also a top priority with the DJI Avata. Its integrated Propeller Guard and omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology provide peace of mind while flying. You can navigate confidently, even in tricky environments, reducing the risk of accidents. This is especially beneficial for beginners who may still be honing their piloting skills. One of the most exciting aspects of the Avata is its ability to promote creative storytelling. With the capability to capture a full 360 degrees view in a single flight, you can reframe your footage in post-production to create multiple unique perspectives from just one take. This feature opens up endless possibilities for filmmakers, allowing them to present their stories in innovative ways. Additionally, the DJI Avata offers flexible dual modes, 360 degrees and single lens. You can seamlessly switch between these modes, giving you the versatility to capture classic Avata-style shots in 4K at 60 frames per second or take full advantage of the 360 degrees imaging for dynamic aerial shots. This means you only need to pack one drone for various filming styles. Who is the DJI Avata suitable for? If you're a travel vlogger, outdoor adventurer, or an aspiring filmmaker, this drone is an excellent choice. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and the immersive FPV, first-person view, flight experience, enhanced by the included DJI Goggles N3 and RC Motion 3 controller, allows for intuitive motion control. You can truly feel like you're flying as you navigate through stunning landscapes or urban settings. Practical use cases for the DJI Avata are vast. Whether you're capturing breathtaking mountain vistas, shooting an exhilarating sports event, or documenting a family gathering from above, this drone can handle it all. The creative potential is limited only by your imagination, making it a valuable tool for content creators and hobbyists alike. In summary, the DJI Avata 360 Motion Fly More Combo is a remarkable drone that stands out for its advanced imaging capabilities, safety features, and creative flexibility. If you're looking to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level, this drone is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.